What is threat hunting, and why does it hold such a pivotal role in cybersecurity? Ponder on this for a moment. In today's digital world, where cyber threats are evolving at an alarming pace, threat hunting has emerged as a proactive measure to ensure robust cybersecurity. Threat hunting is the process of actively looking for signs of malicious activity within a system that may have gone unnoticed by automated security solutions. It's like being Sherlock Holmes in the world of cybersecurity, constantly searching for clues and anomalies that might indicate a security threat. Now, why is this important? Because sometimes the traditional reactive approach to cybersecurity just isn't enough. So, how does one go about threat hunting? There are 4 primary steps to this process. Firstly, it begins with hypothesis creation. This step involves developing an educated guess or prediction about potential threats based on the current cybersecurity landscape, past incidents, or new vulnerabilities. Secondly, there's investigation. This is where the real work begins. Cybersecurity professionals dig deep into system logs, network data, and other relevant information to validate or invalidate the hypothesis. This is where tools like intrusion detection systems, firewalls, and data visualization tools come in handy. Thirdly, we have analysis. The data collected during the investigation is thoroughly analyzed to identify patterns or anomalies. This step may lead to the discovery of a threat, or in some cases, the creation of a new hypothesis. Finally, there's remediation and learning. If a threat is discovered during analysis, it's time for remediation, taking steps to eliminate the threat and prevent similar ones in the future. Whether a threat is found or not, there's always something to learn from the process, which can be used to improve future threat hunting endeavors. Now let's circle back and summarize what we've discussed. Threat hunting is an active rather than reactive approach to cybersecurity. It involves creating a hypothesis, investigating to gather data, analyzing the data, and finally remediation and learning. Each step is crucial and contributes to building a stronger, more secure digital environment. Remember, in the realm of cybersecurity, the best defense is a good offense. By actively seeking out potential threats before they can cause harm, threat hunting plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of our systems and data. So the next time you hear about a major data breach, think about how threat hunting could have possibly prevented it. With threat hunting, you're not waiting for the storm to hit, you're predicting where and when it will strike, and preparing your defenses accordingly. And that, dear viewers, is the essence of threat hunting in cybersecurity.